When it comes to bookkeeping software, Wave versus MYOB, which has the better reconciliation features? That's what we're diving into today, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one comes out on top. Whether you're running a small business or just trying to get your finances in order, reconciliation is key, and you want the best system in place. Let's break down what these two platforms offer and which one truly stands out. First, let's talk about Wave's reconciliation system. Wave is well known for being free, which is a major selling point for many small business owners. But when it comes to reconciling your bank transactions, the system is surprisingly simple to use. You can easily connect your bank accounts and credit cards, and transactions get automatically imported. Wave then gives you the option to categorize each transaction, making it easy to match up with your records. Next thing to consider is Wave's automatic transaction matching. This is where things get a little interesting. Wave does a decent job of matching bank transactions to your entries, but the system can sometimes miss transactions, especially if the amounts aren't an exact match. It's not perfect, but it's definitely serviceable. Plus, it's great if you're just starting out and don't need a ton of customization. Now, let's talk about MYOB and how it compares. MYOB offers a much more robust set of reconciliation tools. The platform has a feature called Bank Feeds, which works similarly to Wave's automatic transaction imports, but with more accuracy. MYOB is better at matching those transactions, even when there are discrepancies, and offers more customization when categorizing them. This can save you a lot of time in the long run if you're dealing with complex transactions. The fourth thing to note about MYOB is its reconciliation report. While Wave offers a simple summary, MYOB takes it a step further with detailed reports. You can generate reconciliation statements that help you spot any discrepancies easily. This is a huge advantage if you're dealing with larger volumes of transactions or if you need to provide documentation for audits or other reporting needs. Next, let's address user experience. Wave's interface is clean and user-friendly. It's a breeze for anyone new to accounting software, but because it's basic, it lacks some advanced features that MYOB offers. MYOB, on the other hand, has a more traditional accounting software layout, which can feel a little cluttered at first. However, once you get the hang of it, MYOB offers more depth and control, which is great for businesses that need more customization. Now, both systems offer mobile apps, but MYOB's app is more limited in terms of reconciliation features. While Wave's app is decent for viewing transactions and categorizing on the go, MYOB's mobile version can feel a bit lacking in comparison, especially for business owners who need to reconcile from anywhere. But here's the big thing. While Wave and MYOB both have their merits, there's another software that I think does reconciliation even better, and after trying all of them myself, I highly recommend you check it out. If you want something that combines the best features of both with even more flexibility and precision, there's a better alternative out there. If you're curious about which platform I'm talking about, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Through that link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while Wave and MYOB are both great options for reconciliation, if you're looking for something more powerful and versatile, I strongly encourage you to take advantage of that link and try it out for yourself. In conclusion, while both Wave and MYOB offer solid reconciliation features, MYOB does have the upper hand in terms of accuracy and customization. But if you're looking for a better solution, take a moment to check out the free trial through our link. You won't regret it.